Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. For the last 16 years, we've been putting out these videos and a lot of the products. We've got dozens and dozens of products out there that have been helping a lot of you to standardize and to automate a lot of the day-to-day operations as a manager or as the owner. We've been helping companies anywhere from large conglomerates to one-man operation and anywhere in between. We have about 7,400 of these tools in operations. We've got 7,400 happy customers. Every week I do get a few emails from you telling us how our tools have made your life a little bit easier, have improved and automated certain tasks that it was taking forever to do. So keep those emails coming. Also feel free to check our Google reviews. We started doing that about a year and a half ago, and I believe so far we have over 115 Google reviews out there. Feel free to go through them and see what people are telling about us. So for today's tool, we have a tool that allows you to generate a trip planner with multiple stops, and we can use this for all types of purposes, mostly when you're trying to figure out a delivery route and trying to figure out the optimal route on how to make those deliveries. For those who are not familiar with my tools, they're all built in Excel, and as such there is nothing to install. All you got to do is download the tool in the download link into the description of the video, and you should be able to start running it in no time. Let me kind of show you how this works. Let's think for a moment that you have a starting point, which most likely would be your office or or just some kind of other central location, and you have a list of deliveries. You have to make a list of stops. You're trying to figure out what the best route for this is, and the tool also allows you to have an ending point. In this case, the starting and ending point are both the same, but they can have different, those can be different destinations or different locations. The tool, again, uses Google Maps API. It allows us to put up to 20 different destinations. Once we've done that, all I got to do is click on the Calculate Optimal Route, and the tool will automatically generate the optimal route and the mileage and the driving time for these trips, and just easy like that. In addition to that, we have an option here to view this route on the map. I'm going to bring this, looks like it's in the other screen there, but it will give me this route, and I can also text this or send this directly to my phone, or copy it as a link and email that to somebody, to the driver or somebody that is going to go through that route so that they know where to stop. And really it should be as easy as that. You can download the tool from the descriptions in the link, and let me know if you've got any questions. My phone number, my email are there. Feel free to give me a call. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions for you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Until next time.